Alright, so here's my audio test using my phone's normal microphone settings. I haven't changed anything. This is the default microphone pickup. So for reference, here's a pair of the old AKG earbuds that they included with Samsung phones, and that's plugged right into my phone, and the earbuds are in my ear and I'm talking normally. Now here's me using the headset style microphone that's included, and the receivers are about a foot apart with nothing in between them. And for my testing, there is actually quite a bit of noise. I turned the volume down so that the levels wouldn't pick it up to the best of its ability, and this is the best I can get it. So I'm not sure if this is the best quality you can get, if it's the microphones itself that are broken, if I have a faulty unit. But from my experience, this is the audio quality you get. Here is the short mic that you're meant to hold the transmitter in your hand. Definitely a nice inclusion, I think. Allows you to sort of hold the mic rather than clip it to your shirt. It's just another option for you to use. Here's my best attempt at getting the lav mic to work. The transmitters are like 2 inches away. I'm talking plenty loud. I set the volume appropriately so that the static has gone away. When sitting in silence, the levels don't pick anything up. So I'm talking like normal, and I'm just sort of confused how it can sound like this. Everything else seems nice, quality-wise of everything. I mean, it's plastic. The buttons are fine and clicky. As far as all the cables and all that go, doesn't feel like it's going to fall out or anything like that. But the most important thing here would probably be the audio quality as well as the distance that you can get away from the transmitter. And as you're probably hearing right now, that the audio is not living up to that. I highly doubt this is the finished product that they intended to send out, knowing, it would be noisy and grainy, even though there's no connection issues whatsoever. Okay, this is with a gain of plus 30. I'm using the handheld mic and no sort of like noise reduction or anything like that. This is connected to my PC. The transmitters are about 3 feet apart, and this sounds fine and the most acceptable. So it could be the Y splitter, because when connecting to a phone you have to use the Y splitter to separate the mic and audio. So that could have something to do with it a little bit, but it's still pretty fuzzy and insanely quiet. So this was my last ditch attempt to try and get this to sound good. It almost seems too bad that it has to be broken and isn't the actual product. So I can't necessarily recommend it, but at the same time, I don't really have any of the answers myself. And unfortunately, I can't rely on any other reviewers or what people have to say, because it seems like I'm the first or one of the few people out there who have bought this yet.